Morning folks, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we have already installed the flywheel with outer ring gear, and along with that we have also installed the starter plate which was supposed to go on our engine. And then we were left with one task which needed a special tool for threads to be made over here, here and here. Now those specific tools are over here. Let me fix the camera somewhere and show you the specification and how you can buy them. Okay guys, so let me introduce you all to the new tool that I just bought for the purpose of tapping internal threads on the scooter. These are successive taps. This is the first one, then the second one, and then the third one. The dimension on all of them would be marked over the shank. Shank is this portion which is not really having any thread. So let me show it to you guys. It's 8 into 1.25. So 8 is basically the diameter of the screw which is going to be drilled into the made into the body of the scooter. 1.25 is the pitch length, which is basically the distance between two apexes on the screw. That is basically, if you can consider over here, then this is the first thread and then the subsequent thread. See that? So the distance between these two is 1.25 mm. So that's what is being written over here. If you follow a bit lower, you have the drill size which has to be used before using these taps. So for that you will be needing a drill size of 6.75 mm. Now unfortunately the box that I have for the drill doesn't really have 6.75 mm bits. See that? After 6.5 it directly jumps to 7, and that's the reason that I had to get this one, which is 17 by 64 inches, which roughly translates to say 6.747 mm, something like that. So that's very close enough and we can go ahead with that. So that's about it. That's what you are going to need. As specified, we'll be using the 6.75 mm drill bits over here first. As you can see, I guess in the previous part it was not very clear. Let me show it to you once again. It's 17 by 64 inch. So that translates to 6.747 mm, and we can consider nearly 6.75. So let's begin the task. As you can see, the chuck interfaces with this portion. So I have got an adapter over here, so I'll be using just that. What I have done is, like, I have taken this tube which I was having in surplus, and then I drilled the hole using this drill bit. Now I'll be simply using it at the back end and using some super glue for some time. I guess that should serve the purpose. Let's try that. So here's the super glue, and here's the tube. Let's try it. That should do. It's a good fit. The length is increased by nearly, I guess, 2 to 3 inches, and that should be good enough for the purpose. Let's tighten it. Fingers crossed. Kerosene applied. The last one, you have to take care that it doesn't really have to be a through hole like these two, as the depth of these studs is not really that great. See that? So let's begin the tapping job now. We'll be starting with the first one and gradually we'll be going to second, and if needed then the third one. So you can see and compare them by the way the initial threads are made upon them. See that? Okay, now let's begin. I guess instead of adapter we have to use a 7 mm wrench. The second one. And now the third tap. Let's go for the second one. You can use a little impact to just push it through and then continue. Good job. So finally we have tapped the internal thread in all the holes that we had. Now before you fix the studs, use some sort of anaerobic adhesive just like this. So with that, fixing of a stud is complete, and next we have to simply install the starter motor. Let's begin. Okay, and that was easy as usual. Apply this thing on all of these. Once this is complete, we have to fix the base plate at the bottom. So let's take the engine upwards I love this engine dolly. It has made my work really very easy. Okay. Now if you pay attention, you will have to, sorry, let me bring it in camera's view. If you pay attention, you will have to make this bolt loose, and then you will have to fix this part over here. So let's do just that. It has to go like this, and before that obviously you have to take it out. So folks, with that the conversion is complete. Gear is also meshing properly. Let me show it to you. I guess it's getting out of focus. It meshes with the gear properly. See that? And everything is now nice, tight and clean. So that beat folks, with that the conversion of the engine from normal to a self-start one is complete. There is hardly anything else to be done on that department, and now I'm working on carburetor and other smaller things that would have some certain trouble. So I'm just cleaning the entire engine, and once that's done I'll be fixing the peripheral stuffs on it, and then I'll be fixing the entire unit on my scooter. So stay tuned for more. I hope you really enjoyed this series. Till the next time, build it, ride it.